tripped and hit a step, and if you want to see how it looks, it's mad swollen.
Swole, as they say.
I said it looked like he got that plastic foot, one of those.
But that's okay, I'm not in pain, it's just uncomfortable.
Yo, it's day 3 of the Snore of Babylon tour. And I'm about to get in this water, this salt water. The salt water of Miami Beach. I want you to see how clean this is. How clean, how mean, how green this salt water is.
What was the first keyboard that you used?
The first keyboard I used was an M Audio, and I got this around the age of 6 because I was gifted it. And I just remember being on my father's laptop on the free version of GarageBand. I was producing with the stock instruments along with their loops. I would be making these little projects and actually would burn them on CDs. I remember a time in elementary school I made this little thing and I called it Ready. It was just some instrumental music and I was able to showcase it, and they popped the CD in the player, and that was for like a talent type show thing. I mean, ever since then though, it's always grown. I don't believe that it particularly even matters the equipment you use. Even though I am a studio rat, you still will produce anything nice with what you're given if you're the skill set behind it. So I've also played drums, I still do, and I had a basic drum set that I would kind of mess around with. I got into miking that and experimenting with sounds maybe around the age of 12 and 13. And right now I use an Akai MPK. I got a black one, I had the black and white one, it kind of broke, so I'm trying to look into that and see if it's repairable. But Akai is great. I'm still after their sampling machine, because that's really just OG. Imagine sampling on that. But the sampler in Logic Pro is superior. I just love going in there and chopping it up as well. I have a Casio also, which is way more keys. It's a standard Casio. But for portability too, I just like my Akai machine. And they have the drum pads on that as well, so that always gets me through anything that I need to do. If I have a spur of the moment idea, I could always go to that, and it's always worked for me, definitely.
Okay.
When I say I want to go to the beach, okay, this is what I'm talking about. I'm in Little Havana. They got all the Cuban cigars lined up here. One of these trays would be dope. So cool in here. See, I was on that tour bus for like a little over an hour now, so I gotta take a break. What a lovely area. Head back outside in a minute.